think a lot of people are looking for new ways to express themselves in their home environment. And so instead of having one monolithic work of art, you can actually choose all these tiny little, tiny works of art, colors that you like to express, a certain era, maybe plates that are family heirlooms. You can put all of those things together in a shape that fits your room, it's the right size, and you can continue to add to it or change it out. They're really fun, and you can have as much fun or more setting a wall hanging than you do setting your table. So it's a wonderful way to use the pieces. If you hang your grandmother's plates on the wall, or you choose to integrate some of your mother's pattern into your powder room, you get to see that every day, you get to honor that memory every day, but it doesn't sit in a dark cabinet taking up space and becoming, that Marie Kondo thing that weighs you down. You get to enjoy it. I think it's really important to gather all the pieces that you want to use together first and sort of give yourself some time to see how they look together, which ones look great together. Sometimes you'll have a couple that fight if they sit next to each other. And I recommend laying it out and looking at it for a couple of days. And then for this large of an installation, we rolled out huge sheets of paper, we placed it all and climbed a ladder so that we could get a real idea of what it was going to look like when it was hanging on the wall.